For the repair of the Hyundai HIAN12 air circuit breakers, the following procedures were necessary: overhauling of the internal parts and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add the 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually.
Okay. Πάμε τώρα.
We perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 40 seconds. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly.
Input.
Και αν το δώσω.
Αυτό ποιο είναι?
Είναι σταντάρι.
Τρίπ.
Okay.
It is now clear that all air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.